Ladies and gentlemen,
the CEO of Fiji Airways and also the chairman, invited guests. The First Lady is also here. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me much pleasure to be here this afternoon. I do not intend to make a long speech. It's very hot, and I think your CEO has essentially said a lot of it. All I want to make a first point from as somebody from Naranga said to my Tovu is this is not going to China. It's actually owned by Fiji Airways. So China is not being sold to, Kandau is not being sold to China, nor is this airline being sold to China. Ladies and gentlemen, as the CEO highlighted, that this is indeed a milestone for Fiji Airways. And I'd like to actually, in particular, acknowledge him and his chairman and the board for coming up with such a wonderful acquisition, but also development of the partnership with the lease finance company, and of course Boeing, and you have the aircraft engine company that's here also. And you can see what Fiji Airways has been able to achieve over the past few years. In particular, over the last 4 years, I would say, the strengthening of the airline. And this can only be achieved because you have the right people in the right places doing the right job. And I want to particularly, I know Andre always talks about his staff, but let's put our hands together for Andre and the board of Fiji Airways, ladies and gentlemen. Because I can tell you, the deals that he's been able to achieve with this acquisition is quite phenomenal and commercially extremely viable for Fiji Airways. As we've said before, for island country, which is dependent largely on tourism, contributes over 34% towards our GDP, we must have a strong national carrier. We must have a strong national carrier because we must have control over our chain of supply. The supply chain must be controlled by us. If you don't have a strong national carrier, you can actually have a very fragile tourism sector. If you don't have a strong national carrier, we then will be beholden to those people who are not Fijians. And it's very critical for us to understand that. It is therefore very critical for us to be able to understand that we can only achieve this if you have a strong economic base. And a strong economic base can only be realized if we have a long-term view, if we have a long-term vision. The Fijian government has a 20-year plan, we have a 5-year plan. Your airline, Fiji Airways, our airline, Fiji Airways, actually also has a long-term plan. And in fact, the long-term plan is actually very exciting. And it can only be realized if all of us are able to come onto the same page. We need AFL, we need CAF, we need Fiji Airways, we need the staff, we need ATS. We need all of the stakeholders, including our external stakeholders, to be able to have a single focus, and that is to consolidate the position of our national carrier. And it's something to be very proud of. Once we have all the 5 737s, these wonderful aircraft, MAXs, once you have that, we'll have one of the youngest fleets in the world. And of course, we're looking at the wide-bodied aircraft thereafter. And I'd like to thank, of course, Boeing for their relationship that they've had with us, and of course we're going to continue with that. We also have Airbus, and from a government's perspective, it's always good to have that very healthy tension and competition between the two major suppliers of aircraft, because it helps us to get a very good deal and ultimately be able to deliver to all our travelers. So ladies and gentlemen, Fiji Airways, of course, is the only company in Fiji that has 51% government stakeholdership, where the staff actually get paid a particular percentage of the profits that are made. We of course want to continue that. We want you to have a bigger stake in that. And we see Fiji Airways as a company that can be replicated across the board, across various other companies in Fiji, state-owned enterprises. So once again, thank you very much, Andre, Chair, Rajesh Punja, all of you have put this deal together. I'd like to thank Boeing and the other stakeholders. They've been very much part and parcel of this. We look forward to all of your cooperation. We look forward to working together with the tourism sector, because really the stage that we are at the moment, Fiji is on the cusp of moving on to the next economic phase, which will bring about enormous opportunities for all Fijians. Thank you very much.
Just got to get to the end. Well, it's pretty normal. It's much faster than any other system out there, so you'll see. Yep.
Okay. So you're going to take us this?
So yeah, really nice first-class cabin. So the big things that make the MAX different from standard pivots for the Sky Interior, the Sky Interior is based off of 787. We took the underlying concepts and applied them in a way that works in the pushing and pulling. This big
That's a smooth piece of glass.
push on the bottom.
I know. It's like a.
It's no darn.